Students, teachers, parents, guardians, administrators, and staff of our education community. It is a privilege as the newly appointed Minister of Education, Youth Development, Sports and Digital Transformation to welcome you back to another promising school term. As I embrace this new responsibility, I reflect deeply on what the future of education can and must look like under my stewardship. I thank the Prime Minister for entrusting me with the care and development of our future leaders. I also wish to recognize the work of my colleague, the Honorable Sean Edward, with Minister Danny Butcher by my side, providing oversight of some critical subsectors. I assure our nation that the work Minister Edward began will be built upon, strengthened, and expanded as we continue this important journey together. I am confident that we can now collectively begin a fresh chapter in learning, growth, and education transformation. Today marks not only the start of a new academic term, but also the continuation of our collective journey to build a 21st century education system that prepares every learner for success, be it academically, socially, or personally. In keeping with this mission of the ministry, we remain committed to creating equitable, high-quality learning experiences that empower all students with the knowledge, skills, and values required to thrive in a rapidly changing world. I want you to know that this year is filled with opportunity. Opportunity to learn with curiosity, to ask bold questions, to engage collectively, and to push boundaries. Whether our students' dream is to excel in science and technology, lead in sports, contribute to community, or one day innovate in the digital space, the development of our nation's children matters deeply to us. Education is not just about passing exams. It's about building confidence and character. To our teachers and staff, thank you for your dedication. You are the backbone of our education system. Every lesson you plan and every word of encouragement you offer leaves a lasting impression. Your role is critical in shaping the hearts and minds of our future leaders, and I look forward to working with you to ensure that you have the support, the training, the resources necessary to flourish in your profession. To parents and guardians, your partnership is indispensable. We cannot do it without you. Education is a shared responsibility, and when homes, schools, and communities work together, we amplify our children's chances for success. Let's continue to build a culture of dialogue and engagement in every household. As your minister, I bring the same energy, passion, and commitment you have seen from my work in youth development and sports, where we championed inclusivity, innovation, and the transformational power of opportunity. Now, we take that spirit and apply it across the education landscape, nurturing not just the athlete or artist, but the critical thinker, the coder, the entrepreneur, and the problem solver. In this new ministry, digital transformation will be a key pillar of our work. Our schools must become gateways to digital literacy, creative thinking, and global competitiveness. We'll continue to expand STEM education, strengthen AI-related and technology-advanced learning, and ensure that our students gain the confidence and competence required for the future workforce. To the students, make this year count. Aim high, work hard, support your classmates, respect your teachers, be kind, be curious. And remember, learning begins not when the bell rings, but when your heart is open to growth. In closing, let us embrace this school term with hope, determination, and an unwavering belief that our children are capable of greatness. Together, let's make this a year of accomplishment, pride, and preparation for whatever your dreams may be. May God bless our education system. Thank you.